Oh hey, welcome back to my channel. So listen, I'm going to color my hair, not one color but two colors, and nothing dark. We'll be doing crown pink colors. I'm going to be using crown pink colors to color my hair, a hot pink and yellow. I want like a strawberry lemonade feel to my hair, and I have it already parted and I already have a little bit of leave-in conditioner. So if you want to see how my hair turns from black to this, keep watching. If you are new to my channel, make sure that you check out the links I have provided down below. I have used temporary hair colors so many times on my channel, specifically this brand and another brand as well. So check out my channel and check out my results on all the different styles I have created thus far. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to go in with yellow, so I'm going to rinse these out and be right back. Okay, so now I am just going to be repeating the exact same steps. This section, I am coloring it hot pink, but as you can see, I'm not going all the way up to my root. And I wanted to specifically show this clip because if you are going to be doing a wash and go with some temporary hair color, you do not need to color the roots unless you're coloring the front part of your crown, like the perimeter. At the end of the day, with a wash and go, especially with my hair, it grows and it's voluminous, and at the end of the day you never see my roots unless I'm physically parting it for you. So if anything, you can just start coloring, I would say a couple inches from your root, and that's that. That way you save more product. And as you can see, I am focusing on the top, but what you will see shortly is that eventually I do run out of hot pink. But before I get too ahead of myself, let's enjoy this curl action. And I am going to be coloring this section hot pink. I just love the Denman brush and I just love how it defines my curls. You don't have to use a Denman brush. You can just finger rake this color or temporary color into your curls. But I just really love how my curls just spring up. Look at this definition already. Yes. So even though I defined it, I'm going to just rake it so I can create more volume and my curls aren't so clumped up when it dries. So as I mentioned previously, I am running out of pink. So just make sure that you stay tuned to see how I fix it and what I do to try to recover from the situation. So this pink is officially done for. This neon pink is definitely my favorite. I should have ordered a bigger size, but I know for next time. I really wish that this top area was as pink as this bottom, but that's what I get for starting at the bottom and at the top. Anyways, I really don't know if I am going to add another color. I'll let my hair officially dry, and if I add another color, it will be off camera and you guys will come back and see that. So stay tuned to see what this color looks like when it's dry. So I am back, and as you guys can see, I no longer have that wine color. My hair is purple. I think you can really see it now. But I definitely wanted to add that neon purple on top just because I wasn't getting this nice hot pink color that I had in the bottom, and that's just because I ran out, unfortunately. So let me give you some pros and cons. Being that this is my second time trying out these colors, I love how my hair, which is super duper dark black, picks up the color. You wouldn't tell that I have black hair unless I told you, I feel like. You know, it really takes the color. It takes the hot pink, the yellow, the purple, and it just looks beautiful. I love how the color still takes to your hair, whether it's already styled, whether it's wet. My hair was more on the wet side than damp even when applying these colors, and I really do love how the color still popped out and it's still vibrant. So not only do I have that purple hot pink going, because you can definitely see the hot pink undertone, I have the yellow and then the hot pink, and I love that. My hair is big and voluminous and I can just style it to whatever I want. So these colors are dope. But let me hit you with the cons. The cons are that the color transfers more than I would like it to. So let me show you. My forehead is all pink. Now you can wipe it with, you know, a little towel or washcloth or a damp paper towel and it'll remove the color right away. However, to have to deal with doing this all the time, not my favorite. This product does get removed with water, so as soon as you sweat or anything like that, water touches it, you will start dripping. It gets hot, I sweat a lot. That's just what it is. So if I do any of these colors, it would definitely be more towards like in the winter time or just on days when it's not super duper hot, because the last thing I want to do is run around, walk around, run errands, start sweating, and then I have a whole bunch of colors dripping down the side of my neck. So to keep this video short, I hope that you can take away something from this video. Outweigh the pros, outweigh the cons, to see what works for you. You can get 1 or 2 colors or try them all. I did. I'm in love with the colors, don't get me wrong. The colors are dope. I just love how vibrant they are, and you know, I can just play with it and use my imagination. I hope that you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit the bell so that you are constantly notified when I upload another video. Peace and love, and I'll catch you next time.